Hello children, welcome back to your maths class. Moving ahead with the topic of subtraction, let's begin with word problems today. Now children, let us first understand what is a word problem. In simple words, we can say that a word problem is a real life situation which is being described and it has a problem which needs to be solved by mathematical calculations. So, a word problem is a few sentences describing a real life scenario where a problem needs to be solved by the way of a mathematical calculation. Children, here are a few words to look for in a subtraction problem. These are fewer than, decrease, take away and subtract. We can also have less than, minus, difference, remaining and left. If these words are seen in a problem, we can very well make out that it is a problem related with subtraction. Do some examples to understand better. Here is the first example. Mary had 8,325 candles for Christmas festival. She sold 7,830 candles and used the remaining candles to decorate her house on Christmas. How many candles did she use? Write the solution sentence. So now over here, the question is stating about Mary and how many candles she has used for the decorating her house on Christmas Day. So see the solution here. Number of candles she made, first we will write that is 8,325. Number of candles sold is 7,830 and number of candles left, that is 495. So the solution sentence will be Mary used 495 candles to decorate the house. We have subtracted the number of candles sold to get the candles left. Now let us take one more example. Rahul had 8,515 rupees in his bank account. If he withdrew 3,950 for buying a carpet, how much money was left in his account? We all have bank accounts and we have money in them, yes, and we keep drawing out. Withdrew means taking out. So now he has taken out a particular amount. That amount is given to you as 3,950 for a purpose, that is for buying a carpet. So now they are asking that after withdrawing this amount, how much money is left in his account? उसके account में कितने पैसे बचे? So now here is the solution. First, amount of money in the bank account. So you will write 8,515. Then amount of money which has been withdrawn, that is 3,980. And then you will write amount of money left. So when you subtract from the bank account the amount of money withdrawn, you get the money left. So 4,535 is the amount of money left in Rahul's account. This becomes your solution sentence. Now here is a small worksheet for you. 2 questions have been given to you. You have to solve out these questions, and in the next maths class we will move forward with some new problems of subtraction. Okay? Thank you class.